Today's OEM tractor-trailers have incorporated diesel particulate filters, DPFs, as part of a comprehensive emissions control system. Omega Lift Equipment offers a fast and easy-to-use DPF step housing handler that a single technician can operate. The technician makes sure the DPF can be removed at a safe temperature before disassembly begins. Smooth rolling 360-degree casters allow a single technician to remove and reinstall a DPF step housing unit. The DPF saddle is 15 3/4 inches wide and can extend to accommodate all sizes of DPF housings. The Omega DPF handler has a 500-pound load capacity and can manage a single or double model canister. The step housing load is secured quickly with the ratchet straps included with the handler. The DPF handler's wide stance offers stability under the most cumbersome loads. A durable handrail supports accurate equipment placement and mobility. After the DPF is cleaned and ready to be reinstalled, the pump handle allows the technician to operate the DPF handler with a hand or foot pump. If your heavy-duty truck maintenance operation is looking to lower labor costs and increase operating efficiency, then the DPF step housing handler from Omega Lift Equipment is the solution for you.